Precept Consultant Carabeth. I have been homeschooling my 3 children using BJU Press homeschool materials since 2016. Today, I will be showing you a look inside the Handwriting 2 3rd edition textbook kit. One of my favorite things about the handwriting courses BJU Press Homeschool offers is the careful and well thought out teaching method going from precursive to calligraphy within the elementary years. Now let's take a look inside the kit. This kit comes with a teacher edition and a work text. This course contains 119 lessons with cursive beginning at lesson 46. Let's first take a look inside the teacher edition. Each lesson will vary in time spent, but can take as little as 5 minutes to teach. Here you will find the contents page. Next, you will find the handwriting background, which shares a history of cursive, manuscript, precursive, and why they use the method of choice. This explains how precursive uses natural movements for younger children and how it is the easiest transition into cursive, as precursive is designed to join strokes to become cursive. Next, you will find instructions on how to teach handwriting etiquette, objectives, evaluation, seating arrangement, position, letter formation, letter alignment, slant of letters, spacing, neatness, and rhythm. On the next few pages, you'll find stroke descriptions of precursive, cursive, and numbers, showing you written directions and order of strokes. Here we have the Getting Started page where it shows you what is included, which is the work text, Timothy time character, letter to parents, the teacher edition appendixes, which has a reproducible handwriting page, and an evaluation rubric. For your convenience, some of the teaching resources are available on the Homeschool Hub. The first 45 lessons will review precursive strokes in various ways. Each lesson will show you materials and preparation that is needed, an introduction to the lesson, skill development, and guided practice. Some lessons will suggest an optional activity. At the beginning of this course, your child will simply review precursive letters and then will move on to writing words, sentences, and paragraphs. Assessments will also periodically be assigned to give you a marker for checking progress. In the back matter, you will find the appendixes, a reproducible handwriting page, the Timothy time puppets, tracking activities, the cuckoo clock, a reproducible evaluation sheet, the handwriting song, a glossary, and explaining the gospel. Now let's take a look inside the work text. Opening the front cover, you'll see the precursive and cursive alphabet and numbers. You'll also see that this work text book is designed for easy removal of work text pages. Next, you will find the contents page. Here we have the letter to parents and a removable strokes chart. You'll see most assignments are unique and allow practice in various ways. You'll also notice that not every assignment is done on a work text page. This is why the reproducible handwriting page is available to copy. When beginning cursive, your child will start simply with the cursive letters, then move into connecting pairs of letters, add suffixes to the end of words. Then they will move into writing full words, then sentences, and even letters, recipes, hymns, poems, and more. I hope you enjoyed this look inside the Handwriting 2 3rd edition textbook kit. If you have any questions regarding this course or any other BJU Press Homeschool related questions, please feel free to reach out. Be sure to subscribe to the Homeworks by Precept YouTube channel to see more look inside the books like this one.